Are you a furniture manufacturer or importer? Then this video is for you. Government of India has made several furniture products mandatory for BIS certification. If your product comes under some notified standard, then you cannot legally manufacture, import or sell it in India. In this video, we will cover Furniture QCO, that is Quality Control Order, the process of certification, the products covered to improve the safety and quality of furniture products in India. The government issued Furniture QC Order 2025 through the DPIIT, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. The order was notified on 13 February 2025 through Gazette notification. According to this QCO, the manufacturers and importers must obtain BIS license for their notified furniture products to import and sell into the Indian markets. The order became mandatory from 14th August 2026 for large and medium enterprises, whereas the government provided additional time for micro and small enterprises, making compliance compulsory for them from 14th August 2026. The Furniture QCO has divided furniture categories majorly into 6 parts. These are work chairs, for which IS standard is 17631, general purpose chairs and stools, for which IS standard is 17632, tables and desks, for which IS standard is 17633, storage units, for which IS standard is 17634, and beds, for which IS standard is 17635. For bunk bed, it is 17636. If you are a manufacturer or importer and you don't have a BIS license, you cannot legally sell any of your products in India. It is mandatory for all of the manufacturers, assemblers and importers. Manufacturers and importers without BIS license may face penalties, seizures, restrictions on manufacturing and importing. Now, talking about the BIS certification process, it involves some major and certain steps. First, identify your correct IS standard for your furniture product. Then, prepare all the necessary business and technical documents. Next, you need to send samples to BIS authorized labs for testing purposes. After receiving a successful test report, you need to submit the application on Manak Online portal, that is BIS registered. After that, BIS may also conduct an audit or factory inspection to test your manufacturing process, quality control system and testing facilities. After everything is found compliant, BIS grants the license and you can use the ISI mark and CML number on your furniture products. Now, talking about why BIS certification is important. BIS certification is not just a legal requirement or document, but it also gives your business a competitive advantage. It ensures that your furniture meets Indian quality and safety standards. The ISI mark on the products gives and increases customer satisfaction and strengthens your brand reputation. It also increases your products and sales, as you can supply your products to government departments, institutions, retailers and large buyers usually prefer certified products. If you are planning to get BIS certification for furniture, then professional guidance can make it smoother, hassle-free and faster. At EVPL India, we provide end-to-end support to all manufacturers, assemblers and importers to get their BIS license approved. Contact EVPL India today and make your all furniture products compliant as per your BIS requirements.